Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we'll walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Uzbekistan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Uzbekistan's official electronic visa portal. So they have a link need to know. So it's a very good link where you have all the most of the questions answered related to the requirement, process, fee, and everything else that you need for. So you can definitely go through that and understand that what exactly you need. And once you are sure about the process, you can come back and click on apply. Now I'm going to fill up as per these details, as per sample details. Citizenship India. So visa we will get for 30 days. Processing time 3 working days, not include weekdays holidays. Okay. Entry type, I select single. Purpose of visit, I select tourism. You do it as per your own case. Date, when you are coming. So I'll select, let's say, uh, June 15. Departure day, let's say, I'll go for July 6th. Okay. Now you need to provide information. Surname. So I'm gonna put sample, you do it as per your own case. Surname changed. If you change it to yes, you need to provide. Okay. Gender, date of birth. Now check your passport for all such information at least 2 times, because a lot of people do some minor mistakes here and later on struggle a lot. Passport number, date of issue, expiry, permanent residence address, of course provide. Place of work and position, provide that. Phone number, mobile and or landline. Primary place of residence of Primary place of residence in Uzbekistan. So if you have like booked hotel and all, definitely you have this, provide that. Citizen of other state, means do you have dual nationality? India does not allow, so that's not applicable. Then you need to attach a photo and upload your passport. Next is like well, basically you will see the details review. Once you are okay with that, you can go to the next where you'll make the payment. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.